Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can send friend request on Facebook on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is open your Facebook application, make sure that you are logged into your account, and then from here either you can tap on this friends icon on your navigation bar right here, and then from here you can get the option of people you may know and send them friend request by simply tapping on the add friend option, and then your friend request will be sent. But if you want to search for a certain person, you can tap on this search icon on the top right corner right here, and then from here you can search for the specific person. Just like this, here you can see this is the specific person that I want to send friend request to. So all I have to do is tap on add friend and simply send my friend request. And here you can see my friend request has successfully been sent. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.